today class we will discuss about the curriculum for session 2020-21 for class 9th. So what is included in your syllabus? So today we will discuss in this class. So first we discuss that how can you find this syllabus file from the CBSE board. So if you want to search this file on website, so there are many fake websites and there are different syllabus available. So you can syllabus search directly on Google. First go to Google and type CBSE in your search tab. Now click enter. So you will be get the URL on the first result, CBSE Central Board of Secondary Education. The website is www.cbse.nic.in. This is your CBSE board website. Now click on this website. So you will be redirected to www.cbse.nic.in website. Now here are two options. First is click for CBSE result and second is click for CBSE website. Now click for CBSE website. So this is the CBSE website. There are many options, but you have to select examination tab and click on curriculum syllabus. So click on curriculum or syllabus. Now you will be redirected to cbseacademic.nic.in. This website contains all the ebooks and study material. So your subject code is 402 and it will found in the skill education tab. This is a skill subject. So click on skill education tab. So we will be redirected to Department of Skill Education. Here are some tab: home, skill education, curriculum, books, sample question paper. You can see all the subject list in skill education, but if you want to get the syllabus, so you should click on curriculum tab. Now click on curriculum tab. So this is a skill education curriculum for session 2020-21, and for the 9th class you have to click secondary level class 9th 10 2020-21. So click on this option. So you will be get the list of all the skill subjects. So your subject is information technology and your subject code is 402, and for 9th class there are two options, 9th and 10th. So you have to click on 9th. So when you click on 9th, a PDF file will be open. So this PDF file is officially released by Central Board of Secondary Education. This is your skill subject. So this is your course overview. So by this way you can get your official syllabus PDF from CBSE website. So now take a look what is in your course. Here are two parts. First is part A, second is part B, and the remaining part C and D, this is related to practical and project work. So in your course this syllabus divided into two books. Part A is a one book and part B is a second book. So in a part 1, this part 1 book related to your communication skill, self-management skill, information communication technology means ICT skill, and entrepreneur skill and green skill. There are 5 units and all 5 units make 10 marks with theory and practical. So this book is only 10 marks. That how can we treat this book? So this book part A is a 10 marks. And now discuss the part B. This is the main part of your curriculum. Subject specific skill. So here are Unit 1, Introduction to IT and IT's industry. It have 4 marks. Unit 2, Data entry and keyboard skills. It have 6 marks. Unit 3, Digital documentation. It have 10 marks. Unit 4, Electronic spreadsheet. It have 10 marks. Unit 5, Digital presentation. It have 10 marks, and total is 40 marks. Now this 10 and this 40 make 50 marks. Now discuss your practical work. The practical examination marks is 15. Written test is 10. Viva is 10. It's make 35. And now discuss your part D, project work. The practical file or student portfolio make 10 marks. Viva 5 marks. It makes 15. So around all the total make 100 marks. So this is your marking schema of your curriculum. This part B have good weightage of marks. And now discuss the detailed syllabus. This part is taught by English teachers, and our subject specific part in part A is basic information and communication technology skill. This is a subject specific skill. First is introduction to IT and IT industries. Appreciate the application of IT. In this unit, you will be find BPO, business processing outsourcing services, business process management BPM industry in India. We will be find out the business processing outsourcing, for example call center, and what kind of technology using in this business process management and business processing outsourcing, and how can technology work in education, library, everyday life, IT in home computing, and entertainment, communication, business, science and engineering, banking, insurance, marketing, healthcare, IT in the government and public sector. So this is the practical. Identify and list the various IT enabled service. Observe the application of IT in various areas. For example, what kind of application you are using for entertainment, communication, business, science and engineering, public and private sector around the you. Unit 2, data entry and keyboarding skills. This unit related to your typing skills. So we will be learn the keyboard skills and typing skills in this unit. So here are only the identification of what key pressed by which finger, and there are introduction to keyboards key. For example, type of keyboards and numeric keypads, home key, guide key, typing and deletion text, typing, ergonomics, positional of finger on the keyboard, allocation of key to finger on for different row. Pointing device means mouse. So mouse have 2 clicks left and right, and include a 1 scroller. So we work in mouse scroller also. Identify the key and its use. The keyboard. Demonstrate the various keys on the keyboard. Example, function keys, numeric keys, alphabetic keys. Demonstrate to type the number special character using appropriate key on the keyboard. Practice the correcting typing, ergonomics. Practice to place finger on correct key in the 4 different row on keyboard. Practice various mouse operations. So this is the part 1 of unit 2. Like we will use rapid typing tutor for making a typing skill better, or typing tutor. We will examine the features of this software. For example, how can you see rhythm of your typing, how can you see the speed of your typing, key correction wrong. So in the practical you will see that how can you use this software and use these features. Lesson work practice. This is a unit 3 related to digital documentations. So in this unit we will work on Apache OpenOffice or Google Suite. So similarly there are many applications available, for example Microsoft Office, LibreOffice, Google Suite, etc. We will work on Apache OpenOffice. In the last of the syllabus we will discuss what software we will use for this practical operations. So in this, how can you the introduction of the word processing, and how can you create a documents, and how can you save, close, or status bar, and introduction the parts of the word. And in the part 2 is applying and editing feature, for example copy, paste, selecting text, find and replace, jumping the page number, show the non-printing character, spelling checking, synonyms and thesaurs. So these practicals are included in this. This is a list of your practicals. Applying formatting, for example text styling, word art, insert imaging, change background, change the design of the page, insert the header footer, creating, change, insert the page number, etc. That options we will read in this part. Create and work with the tables. We will perform that all the table operations in this unit. So creating table, inserting and deleting rows, splitting table, merging cells. Use print option, that how can you print a document from the Word. So all the operation include in this chapter. 6 is understand and apply mail merge. This is the main option, that how can you use this mail merge option, how can you create a letters, invitations and send one mail to many persons, or how can you merge a document. Unit 4th is electronic spreadsheet. We will use in this unit application is Excel. In this, how can we create a spreadsheet, how can we save, and the introduction of the row, column, range, cell, etc. In the unit 4 chapter 2 apply formula and function in spreadsheet, for example sum, average, max, minimum, count. How can you make a calculation in your spreadsheet, how can create a particular sheet as a calculating values. So here are the practicals. Format data in spreadsheet. Now how can set a format, for example data types. You can enter date and time, you can enter name, you can enter currency. So these are the types of the data. So we will format all the data types in this unit, and handling the formula copies, etc. and understanding and applying the referencing. So referencing means how to enter cell address in formula. So there are two reference, first is relative, second is absolute, and third is the mixing of relative and absolute referencing. And fifth is creating and insert different types of chart in your spreadsheet, for example bar chart and liners graph, etc. And the fifth unit, digital presentation. So you will use skills, for example how can create you effective presentations, and how can use you animation, transactions, formattings, inserting image and master slides also. In this application we will use PowerPoint and work with slides, how to insert a duplicate slide, how to create a new slide, and slide options also. Formatting text and apply animations, create use in table in PowerPoint, insert and format image in presentations. It means you can crop your image, you can correction with color, you can shifting with the position of slide. Work with slide master. This is a slide master. If we want to create a new design that is not already available in our presentation software. So we can create a new slide. It will apply all of the slide of my file. So we called it slide master. We can create a slide master first, and it will be applicable for all the slides. So this is the requirement of hardware. So this is the general requirement of hardware, and now discuss the software. So according to CBSE guideline, we can use two operating software. First is Linux, second is Windows. So there are no problem. This application run also Linux and Windows. If you are using Linux, so you will be get LibreOffice already, and you can download OpenOffice. Maximum users use Windows operating software, so we will use this software also. But I will give you a small overview of the Linux. Here are many versions of Linux. For example, Ubuntu, Blackbuntu, Fedora, Linux, Red Hat Linux. So Linux is basically used for the protect to cybercrime activity, creating a server. This is the good operating software, and if you are using Linux software, so you not need to install any kind of antivirus. Linux is a free, open source and secure operating system you can freely download. So here are some examples of Linux is Fedora, Kali Linux, Backtrack, Ubuntu, Blackbuntu, Parrot Linux, CentOS, Debian. This is some examples. There are many versions available. We called it flavor of Linux. For example, you purchase a ice cream, so vanilla, this is the flavor of the ice cream. So there are Linux operating software, and there are many flavors. Example, Fedora, Linux Mint, Linux CentOS. So this is the flavors of Linux. And Windows operating system, currently the latest version of Windows is Windows 10. So you can perform this operation in Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, Windows 10 also. But I suggest that kindly do not use Windows XP. XP is the older version of Windows, so some application does not support Windows XP. So you should use a minimum version of Windows 7, and the maximum you can use the latest version of the Windows. Now antivirus, there are not need to install antivirus. It is we will install only the protect our system from viruses, rootkits and Trojan horse and worms. So there are no need to install any kind of antivirus. And the productivity suite means we will perform our digital documentation, spreadsheet and presentation operation in OpenOffice or Google Suite. ETC means there are many software, for example Microsoft Office, WPS Office, LibreOffice. So we have many kind of office software, but we will use Apache OpenOffice. But I will share a video related to some office examples, then how can you download Office and install the Office application, and how can you use Google Suite. CBSE show this application on the this curriculum because this is the offline application is OpenOffice, and Google Suite is an example of online application. It means if you have Gmail accounts, so you can use Google Docs. So this is the example of Google Docs. For example, spreadsheet, PPT and Docs words. So we can use directly without install any kind of applications. But in an Android operating software, we have available application from name of Google Docs. This is our curriculum and the software that required to perform these operations.